Question 1. Which number comes next in the Fibonacci sequence? Question 2. In the Fibonacci sequence, each number is the sum of. Question 3. Approximately what is the value of the golden ratio, phi? Question 4. Which of the following is commonly associated with the golden ratio? Question 5. Which famous mathematician introduced the Fibonacci sequence to Europe through his 1202 book Liber Abaci? Good job. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Follow the Brain Cell Check for more quizzes, facts, and trivia challenges.